the cheapest part of the bicycle. But this single spoke you see on the bicycle is one of the most important, most vital parts. If there is a problem with your spokes, the bicycle will not be able to perform its function of carrying you, of taking you from one place to another. It's been a long time, friends. With this opportunity, we have returned to the field. Today, we will talk about the threading of spoke nipples, a vital topic that is generally not mentioned much. Until now, we have mostly talked about spoke tension and load distribution. Yes, these are very important. However, another issue is threading towards the ends of these spokes. If a mistake is made here, if the topic is not fully understood, you will likely encounter major problems, and as I said, the bicycle will become unable to perform its function. I'm trying to get as close as I can to the spoke end to show you the threads. When you look at the screen right now, the threads on this rim look like screw threads, but there's a very important unknown tip here. These threads are not cut with a die, meaning they are not opened by cutting and removing material. To prevent the spokes from thinning, they are opened by compressing and rolling using the cold forming method we call thread rolling. To avoid confusion and to help you understand exactly what it is, you see the graphics on the screen. One is opened with cold forming, that is by creating round threads, and the other is opened with a die. In the threads opened with a die, that is by removing material and shaving, as you can see, the strength has decreased a bit and the structure has changed slightly. But in the threads we open by rolling with thread rolling, the material has not thinned and the strength of the threads has increased. So the wire has not weakened. On the contrary, it has become more durable. Let's not just explain this theoretically. I have a manually operated spoke threading tool that I brought from Japan for this purpose. Let's use this tool together to thread one of our spokes. Of course, for this, we first need an appropriate spoke ruler. We will mark the desired measurement and cut it to the desired length with a good wire cutter. After cutting, we will immediately place our spoke into the tool. We have placed our spoke, our tool is ready. There are measurement scales on our tool. According to these scales, we can thread to the desired extent. Now I will bring it a bit closer and show you more closely. One of the most critical points here is using threading oil. This oil is the most critical point in this process. Why is it important? It reduces friction, protects the surface, and extends the tool's lifespan. I'm trying to show it in close-up. If you notice, the material is not being cut, it's changing shape. Guys, friends, the spoke is a small but important component on a bicycle. Threading may seem insignificant, but it is a factor that determines whether you will be stranded or not. Rolling is the correct method. Cutting threads by removing material or threading with a die are incorrect methods for spokes. If you enjoy technical videos like this, please don't forget to write to me in the comments below. You can also support me by subscribing to my channel and liking the video.